If you've studied Part 1, then let's move forward with some variations using the diminished flat 6 scale. These chords in motion are great for harmonizing chords and melodies, improvising in block chords, and comping. First, let's do a one-hand closed position of chords moving through this scale. Now let's do a drop 2, which means to take the second note from the top and drop it down one octave. This also works well with half diminished chords. Here's A half diminished, or A minor 7 flat 5. Try out some other shapes too. Here's sevenths in the left hand and thirds in the right. This next variation is really important. Try delaying one note while the other three move. This creates tension and is extremely colorful. The more you practice with this, the more you can create fascinating and really colorful harmonic and melodic ideas.